Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut, very attractive hair dye, and overall collection very stylish and latest. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Some ideas, mostly ideas, spiky hairstyling, some collection, fine hairstyling, some ideas, wavy curly hairstyling, and so beautiful collection 2023 short hairstyling, messy hairstyle, and so beautiful collection of choppy hairstyling, so beautiful ideas of hair dye, most popular and trendy blonde color, in blonde, streaks, highlights, chunks, and other shade of dye, burgundy color, black color, and gray color, ash color, and very stylish ideas of haircut in short hair, some ideas pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, patch haircut, and so beautiful collection of undercut, deep layered, and many much more beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very sweet, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my videos, share my videos with your friends, your family members, and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. And thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.